Hi guys, we're back with some of our super adorable sweet paper packs. We've printed these out on 6x6. You can print them out up to 12x12, 6x6, 8x8, 4x4, 12x12. This one is Besties Lemonade pack, and there's 12 papers in each pack, and this is what this adorable little pack looks like. Isn't that so sweet? Now these would be perfect for scrapbooking as well as card making. This is the next one. So cute. A sweet little background one. And this is our adorable little bees. Super fun bees. Sweet little bee. These would make really cute little scrapbooking books too. Pages. This one. So cute. So adorable. I love this one. This one great for scrapbooking page as well as a card. Fun little background. I love this one. This one's so sweet. And another really great background one as well. So this is our sweet little My Besties Lemonade pack, and it's in the shop today now for our July release. And we have, I'm going to just give you a quick sneak peek of all of these you're going to be seeing. This one, summer hats too. This one's summer hats. This one is mermaid moon, over the moon. And this one is summer fun. And this one is under the sea. Beach hair and I don't care. I love this one. It's so cute. This one is the purple mermaid pack, and this is a pink flamingo. So I'm going to be showing you all of these too through all the videos. So keep an eye out for this pack, and we'll be back.